Balito. Congressman, Eastern Visayas is still recovering from Yolanda, plus now we're facing El Nino, high power cost, and migration of talent. What's your top policy priority for region this 20th Congress?
Well, for Eastern Visayas talaga, it's important that we build a more deeper sense of resilience, no? Okay, init bagyo, initon mga butang nananabo around us, whether climatic, economic, or social. In most cases, sad to say, wala man kita ni control.
Balito.
We cannot do anything about geography. We cannot do about, especially kaya ating economic contribution may not be as significant kaysa ibang regions. We really don't have a lot of say. But maupay nga foundation is always making sure that there is sufficient and effective resilience natin, our capacity to address problems. So for example, bagyo wala kit may himo. Pero paano naton nga kada may bagyo nakaka-respond kita maupay? Kaya nakakabangon kita.
Yes.
Maybe let's not may hananduro siguro Yolanda at Miriam, although that gave us the best lessons. No? But a typhoon can happen next week or in a couple of months. So how do we create patterns of behavior? How do we create systems within our government that make us basically typhoon-proof? Or for example, when we go to the economic shocks, no, as you mentioned, maybe it's about time to look into paano kita makaka-create local na sources in trabaho. That's why we've been pushing for the Leyte Ecological Industrial Zone. That's why we're pushing for certain infrastructure projects we think would be able to help facilitate the influx of opportunities, investments into the region. Kaya, because we need to have our own source of employment, jobs created within the region. Although we have a certain bias, we have a certain bias for agriculture, because that also gives us a certain degree of food security. So, klaro ito yung importante iton agrikultura, di rin lang tungod kay pakabuhi tungod yung pagkaon, misod mga tao, no? And we're also looking at how we can help small, medium enterprises, which is very critical kay amoy ni itong pinakadaho nga source in local employment in the absence of all the industries that we're hoping to build over the next couple of years. So it's really, it's really building our own capacity, resilience, no? Kay diri man naton mapupugan niya, may damang guli niya mga panhinabo. Magkakamay damang guli ito. Pero our ability to, iton patterns of behavior. Like for example, evacuation yan, mag-evacuate ka na dahon. Iton preposition of goods yan, that's perfect that. Diba? Let's perfect the system that would make us less vulnerable to all these shocks, whether climatic, whether economic, or social.